Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm killing it with the recent content. If you have never been here before, my name is Matt. I am a quarantine turned-me full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. No, actually no. Oh my god. I'm used to saying that. Mercari sucks. I don't do Mercari anymore. If you like reseller-related content, consider joining this family of mine. If you find yourself enjoying this any point during the video, which of course, you know, I have a feeling you will, but I'm not gonna like be overly confident, but you know, hit the subscribe and like button below. You know what? Just, you should hit it now. So now, because my personality. Oh wait, scroll down and hit it real quick. Thanks so much for subscribing. So in this video, I am showing you guys a long-awaited video. My friend over at Eloise's Thrift Shop on Instagram, I will put the snapshot right here and the link in the description. I have done a collaboration with a video with them in the past. The guy that runs it is super sweet. He always is the nicest and he hooks it up, and he has like a really cool business and he gives really good stuff. A lot of companies that do mystery boxes, I find, try and put the shitty stuff in the mystery boxes, but he kills it. So I got their $50 tier, their $25 tier, and this is the third video I'm filming with them, and this is the $100 tier box, so this is what I got in it. When you order it, guys, if you let them know I sent you, you get free shipping. And again, link is in the description and everything. You're not gonna get the exact same things. I like to always say that because they're one-of-a-kind boxes. You'll just get like similar tier items, if that makes sense. So let's get into it. This box has been through a lot. Look at that. It's made it through a move. I got it like 3 months ago. He sent it, and it was in my last apartment. It's my first month here in my new apartment. If you've been watching my channel, you know that this is my new apartment. I'm loving this little background right now that I have, my little dog pillow. But this box, let's just say, has been through it. So I'm gonna show you what I got from it. This is sick. This is like a classic Toyota jersey, bimbo, that's what everyone used to call me in high school. 99 Bravo. I don't know anything about jerseys, but I'm gonna look this up. He sent me some good brands. I took a little comb through it when he sent it to me like 3 months ago, but I don't really remember what's in it. This is a scarf. What is this? Oh, that's Ralph Lauren embroidered, like little horse guy. Is there a tag? Oh yes. So Ralph Lauren, 80% lamb's wool. Oh my god, that's so nice. Can you see that? 80% lamb's wool Ralph Lauren scarf. It's really thick. That's what people told me in high school as well. Next item. It is this is for sure vintage. Is this single stitch? No, it's double stitch, but it could still be vintage, right? It feels like that vintage fabric. It is a trippy cat t-shirt with lasers. And if you guys are interested in anything in this video or purchasing it, you can DM me on Instagram, and you can also email me at whysothrifty@gmail.com. Oh my god, I love how I have some graphic t-shirts. I don't have any in my closet right now. So the front of this t-shirt says Big Hog. Also what they called me in high school. 3 of my high school names so far. And the back says, if you can't run with the big hog, stay in the pen. You know what? I refuse. I will not be caged. Next item is another t-shirt. I love the feeling of these t-shirts. Okay, so this is American Chopper. And if you guys know anything about the stuff I don't know about, let me know. This says Jet Bike on the back. There's t-shirt vibes. And oh, that's what single stitch means. I'm dumb. These are single stitch. Oh my gosh, this whole time for years I didn't know. This is a really cool acid wash t-shirt with the skull on it. Why does this look like Ed Hardy? I love it. This is not Ed Hardy. And it's just super good quality. These t-shirts are like thick cotton. Ooh, this is so nice. This is like a ribbed sweater shirt t-shirt. And this is Tommy Jeans. Ugh, I can't get enough of Tommy Jeans always. And I know it's kind of oversaturated, but I still am obsessed. I'll always rock it. So I might keep this, I'm not sure. And I forgot to say the sizes. This is the size medium, men's or women's, I would say. Oh my god, yes! A vibe. See, this in the $100 box, this is worth it. You can get $100 just for these shoes. And they have like a little bit of dirt, but they're in really good condition. Look at those, oh my god. So these are, and they have stars on the bottom through the sole. I mean the rubber. It's a men's 11.5, and look at the inside. It's not even rubbed off or worn. Oh my god. Basketball shoes. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Love it. We're like almost halfway through the box. It's a good box, guys, so far. I would rate it like 8 out of 10 so far, but like maybe there's the other 2 points are in here still, so we'll see. Everything is really nicely wrapped so it doesn't damage each other or rub against anything. Like if suede rubbed against like other fabrics with color and it would rub off. This is a Tommy Hilfiger. I used to say Hilfiger by accident. Tommy Hilfiger. The short sleeve men's button down, and it's neon yellow and green, and it has that cool like royally preppy school embroidery on it. We love that. Oh my god, I do remember seeing these when I slightly combed through. I'm keeping these, I think, unless you guys offer me something for them, and I'll give you a deal. But these remind me of the Coogie sweaters. They're like the 3D knit. So the knit has like texture, like really extreme texture. Oh my god, I'm a businessman. Everyone's texting me. Ugh. Hey, sorry, I can't talk right now, I'm thriving. This is a sweater, I'm obsessed. It's by the brand Pronto Uomo, which I've seen in the thrift and never picked up. It's a 54/XL. There's another one in here that I like even better, so I'm gonna keep this one and probably not the other one. This is a turtleneck, and I just love the colors in this one. And oh my god, guys, are we living for this in our souls? I mean, I don't have a soul, but I'd be living if I did. But look at the texture on this, man, I'm obsessed. I can't focus, it only focuses on me because I'm a star. I'm kidding a little bit. And Pronto Uomo as well, and it's a size 52/large. So that's a large, the previous one was an extra large. This brand is where it's at. This is a Bernardo satin, really heavy duty coat. It's a bomber jacket. I found a pair of Bernardo women's heeled boots in the bins, and I have them listed for $180, and they're from the bins. But that's how much the comps are, so I have some interest in them. They've been posted for like a few months, so I'm gonna probably lower it to like 120, but this is a higher end brand. And you can tell just by the construction of the garment. Look at that. It's from the brand Bernardo. This is what the tag looks like. It's super simplistic. I'm really shocked that this is actually in a mystery box. Incredible. Size medium. This is designer. I describe this as designer. It's when the zippers don't say YKK and they say the actual brand name, bitch, it's designer. Next up, we have these Supreme rubberized gloves. Supreme will make anything, I swear. I looked this up and the comps weren't crazy like a lot of Supreme stuff, but they were still good for gloves. Just like little rubberized gloves, like kitchen gloves, but they're Supreme. So they're designer. They're streetwear designer. They're Depop designer. Ooh, I love side bags. If I wasn't so obsessed with Coach, I would keep this. This is my vibe. New with tags, $25, Levi's Crossbody side satchel. Everyone loves these, they're so in style. They're not going out of style anytime soon. The side bags, we need to put our things somewhere. This is I would say vintage, but I have to stop saying things are vintage when I don't know. Proline NFL blue lined hoodie, and the logo is, I'm so bad at sports. Go sports. Lions. What's the other sleeve saying? Nothing. It's the Lions. That's all. I don't know where the Lions are from, but it's a hoodie and it's a size youth extra large. Oh my god, this is sick. This is like a fedora / bucket hat had a baby. It's like a mix. Oh my god, and it's from, oh, you can see it was new with tag, but the tag was ripped off, so it's the barb in part of the tag. So it says official crown brimmed laurel. The brand Official? Stay Official? Yeah, it's the brand Official. I'm not keeping it, I'm selling it. Roof! 100% wool. This is so unique. It's like the brim is like curly like a beach hat, and then on purpose, it's purposely like that, and it has purple stitching. It's so cool. This is a belt. The next item is a belt. We're almost to the bottom of the box. I don't think there's a brand, but it kind of reminds me of the Vineyard Vines belt. Okay, there's like a few more items in here. Ooh, these are cute. These are H&M. Dust from the move. These are H&M just chino stretchy shorts. They're beachy. They're like kind of swimsuit material, but also cotton. And they're a size medium. And that's what I'm saying. I'm fine with getting an H&M item in a box as long as the whole box is an H&M. These are really good items, guys. There's 2 more items. This is Kenneth Cole, New York. These are like stretchy. They're like stretchy, like they feel like cargo pants with like spandex, but they're dress pants. So they're a trick. They're like dress pants, jeans, cargo stretch. God, your resellers, you guys know that if you have keywords, you're like new with tag, like new, blue, leather, genuine vintage, prep, Coachella, shoes. Like, that's literally, keywords are a thing, guys. And it's like contradicting each other sometimes. I've seen people say new with tag, like new, one flaw. Okay, and these are at $34.30. They're just black. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Even though it's Old Navy, I'm obsessed. It has like that, that's not a cowl neck. This is like a turtleneck, but a mock neck. This might be a cowl neck, I don't know. This is just a knit, speckled, stretchy sweater, red and white from Old Navy. What's the material on this? Yay guys, oh my god, the box is empty. Okay, so now I'm done going through the box. I rate it 12 out of 10 just for the few pieces. Let me run down for you which pieces I think were worth the most. Okay, the Levi's pants, not worth the most. H&M, that's like a filler in a box where you can still sell it and make like 10, 15 bucks. Okay, so this might be one of my favorites. I have to look up the comps, so that's going on the side. I'm trying to see what else I got in here. Okay. The Bernardo jacket is in the top 3. The shoes, how much they're worth. That's how I'm ranking them. The shoes are top 3. And then, just for the fact of the style, the sweaters make it in together in the same. Like in the same. But also, I like the sweaters. They're probably not worth the most. I don't even think the Supreme gloves are worth the most. I think I can get the most for, I have a feeling this is speaking to me. This might be one of the worth the most items. This, okay, so yeah, this, I think I can risk it on this and say, if you know about the jersey and I don't, let me know in the comments. The shoes and the Bernardo jacket. Oh my God, this is such a gorgeous jacket. Wait. No, I feel like it's gonna be too small. It's a little tight. It's a little snug, but I feel like it fits. No, I think it fits. Like it fits in a tight way. It's a little tight right here in the shoulders. But yes, I love it. Thank you, Jose from Eloise's Thrift Shop. I'll link them down below. Again, if you guys want to buy a mystery box from them, oh my God, I almost did this and ripped the back. I have to take it off, it's too small. If you guys want to buy a mystery box from them, free shipping, right? This was a $100 mystery box. 100 bucks for all of this. I would buy like 10 of them in an instant. If I was looking to spend money on inventory, I would go there to Eloise's Thrift Shop. But yes, I appreciate you guys for watching. Again, I've been kind of doing a lot of promo stuff on here. I'm gonna kind of chill on that, but I plan on making a lot of tips videos and tricks and stuff, and like how to get ink out of fabric and how to get stickers off of shoes, like that vibe. But then also what sold videos and thrift vlogs is what I'm so excited for. Once I get all this inventory figured out, I have a whole shelf of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 full bins of inventory that aren't listed, and a whole 10-tier shoe rack. Sorry, I just got excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you enjoyed this video, then hit the thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below. I really appreciate you supporting. And if you guys want to see the day-to-day venture of my business, it is Why So Thrifty Store on Instagram. Why So Thrifty Store. And yeah, I post a ton of stuff, a ton of interactive stuff where you guys can like vote on stuff at the thrift store and all that good stuff. I play a game I made up called Buy, like purchase or buy. And that's when at a thrift store, I take a picture of the item and I say buy or buy, and you guys tell me if I should get it or not, and then I'll tell you later if I did. Usually I don't listen, but that's my purpose in life. Just to do me and not listen to anyone else. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. That was so much better. Okay, bye guys.